Hi, it's Jess Gregory, director of the Wilder School, and I've received a question that I wanted to provide some deeper insight into, and it's about measuring learning. So, how will we, as parents and guides, know that the children have learned something and how thoroughly they understand the material in an environment where there are no testing or grades? So, I'd step this back first by asking the question, why are grades necessary in traditional school? So, in traditional school, the curriculum is presented uniformly to all children, and regardless of their individual proficiency, the whole class moves on to new material. And this cycle repeats itself year after year. This system is not responsive to the child. It does not slow when a child needs additional practice, nor does it speed up when a child completes it with ease. So, regular testing and grade assignments are required to document the level of learning a child attains. So then, if that's the case, why does the Wilder School not test and grade children? And the reason for that is that we require a mastery of all core skills and allow children to self-pace through that material. When they master material, foundational material, before moving on to the next concept, they are proving through a series of work products and assignments that they have completed it 100% correctly. Requiring mastery of core skills is a higher level of accountability than traditional school, so we can confidently state that our learners are working with greater proficiency than their traditional school counterparts. So finally, how do parents know that what their child is working on in the studio? We highly encourage parents and children to regularly discuss what's going on in the studio. To facilitate these discussions, we offer sample questions that allow for deep and fruitful conversation. And we also provide Journey Tracker, an online tool for transparency and tracking in the studio, so that parents can talk about goals, they can talk about work accomplished and goals accomplished for a holistic picture of what their child is working on in the studio. So until then, thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon.